Okay, to make a shoulder pad, I'm going to use some leftover quilt batting that I have. Any kind of batting will work, whether it's polyester or cotton. Mine's a polyester version. And it's not real thick, so I'm going to double it up. I'm just going to fold it over like that and cut off enough for my shoulder pad. And I need 2 of them, so I'm going to make them both the same way. Make sure they're about the same size here. All right, so the folded edge is going to become the part of the pad that goes out into the armhole, and the rest of it is going to be sewn into the shoulder of the garment. So I'm going to shape it, and I'm just eyeballing this. You can shape it to your liking, but I want a curved shape. And I'm just going to fold it in half and kind of trim it so it's all about the same size. There we go. Now that's going to be my shape. So I'm going to duplicate that on the other one. Cut it out. Okay, so I have 2 pads, and then we'll just cover them with fabric.